Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about fuel induction services for your vehicle. I'm going to tell you something. This is one service that you could do yearly that you will notice such a great difference in the drivability of your vehicle. With today's fuels and all the additives they're put into them, we're building a lot of carbon up on valves, hot wires in mass airflow sensors, carbon inside throttle bodies. All of this is an after effect from the burning of fuel in the vehicle. The only way to keep this removed and prevent from having to disassemble the vehicle to remove the valve carbon is to do a fuel induction service yearly. By doing so, it removes the carbon off the valves that builds up, which robs the vehicle of fuel mileage and also can cause drivability concerns, prevents mass airflow sensor failure, hot wires inside of them, and makes the car idle way smoother when there's no carbon buildup in the valve body and throttle body. Make sure and get your vehicle in yearly, have this service performed, and I guarantee you after the service you'll say, my car's never ran so great. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Auto Man Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.